In this video, I want to look at a new feature that's shipping in the 0.17.0 release of Chocolatey GUI. Within Chocolatey GUI, it's possible to enable certain features just using a toggle switch in the settings section here. So you can enable showing or hiding the console output when an operation is happening within Chocolatey GUI, or you can enable or disable the tile view as the default on sources. Now, if you are in an environment that's got lots of installations of Chocolatey and Chocolatey GUI, coming into the application here and doing this in each application becomes problematic because you have to do it multiple times. So the feature that was added in this most recent release is that you can also do this now from the command line. So if I go in here and run Chocolatey GUI as the executable with feature and list, then I can list out the current status of all those features. Now this feature command is exactly the same as what you can do within Chocolatey itself. So you can enable and disable features within Chocolatey. You can do the same thing within Chocolatey GUI. So for example, if I wanted to enable the show console output in this instance of Chocolatey GUI, I can just run the feature enable with the name of show console output. So if I run that, and then it tells me that it's enabled the show console output. If I run the list again, I can see that I've enabled that feature here. And if I go back to run Chocolatey GUI itself, I will see that that change is reflected within the running instance of Chocolatey GUI. So here, the show console output is enabled. And again, the reciprocal of that is true. If I go ahead and disable this again, and close Chocolatey GUI, and I run the feature list again, I'll see that that once again has been turned off. So hopefully this feature will allow maybe where Chocolatey GUI is being used in an organization level, easily running the commands to allow you to set Chocolatey GUI up how you want it for your organization. I hope this video has been useful to you. Feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. Thank you.